So, it wasn't a dream. It was real.
I guess it was.
I mean, does it even matter anymore?
I feel like things with Corey got worse after that. Like, what happened to him? Didn't they blame him for what happened at the ranch?
Not here, Autumn. Someone might be listening.
Sorry, I'm not trying to be negative.
It's okay.
This might sound silly, but do you think our wishes came true?
What?
Swan, stop. We shouldn't talk about this here.
Is this thing on? Okay, guys. You owe me a beer for this one.
Oh boy.
Why did the bartender fling a double of tequila at Pat Benatar?
I'll bite out. Why?
She said, hit me with your best shot. Get it? Whatever. Give me my beer.
I love you, but do us all a favor and don't go into comedy, man.
Well then. Shots, anyone?
I'm good for now. Thanks.
Boo. Fine. Anyone want to play around a pool then?
Nora, we're not done talking here.
We have all night. Loosen up a little. All right, let's go play some pool. Dad and Linda totally used to come here.
Really?
Didn't your parents?
Nah, it's not their scene.
Fair enough. Are you coming, Swan?
Seem like nice girls.
Sure, nice enough. Maybe we're gonna get more new folks around here.
What?
Hey, Nor. Do you remember how strange Kat seemed after we found the abyss?
Oh, come on. Can't we take a break from talking about that night?
Why?
Sorry, I'm just sort of past all that.
Nora, I don't know what to say.
Let's hear her out, Nora.
Really?
Tell us what you remember
Oh,
about Kat.
I was just thinking about how Kat seemed to change that night.
Come on. Grab a cue stick. They're up on the wall. Okay, let's do this.
Sorry, there's just one last thing I want to say.
What?
I kind of regret not making a wish that night.
Really? I mean, we were just messing around. So, who wants to break?
Kat wasn't. She was dead serious about it.
Yeah, so? She got that way sometimes. Intense.
Your dream, Autumn. I asked about it once. Remember when I interviewed you?
Yes, I remember that. What did I say?
I think you said that you wanted to do something that matters.
Oh, that's right. Well, that wasn't my real wish, but I'd say I got there anyway.
Now get off the mic.
Let's talk about music.
You know.
Do you still play Autumn? Like, just for fun?
No, I don't know. It felt weird playing without the group. I mean, you still play it all, Nora?
Nope. And you, Swan? Still making movies? No shame if you don't. It's hard to find time to be creative outside of work, right?
I'm working on a book, actually.
Wow. What's your audience?
Young adult. It's a horror novel about these teenagers, but it's more psychological horror than like blood and gore horror.
Oh, I'm not into horror, but that's great. There's definitely an audience.
I need another drink.
It's your turn, Swan.
Okay.
Oh, come on, man.
I'm gonna tell him to cut you off. I mean,
Nailed it.
Rolling. Okay. Can you say your full name, age, and something about you to the camera?
Why?
Oh, it's just like this format I'm using.
Whatever. I'm Catherine Michelson, but everyone calls me Kat. I'm 16, and, I don't know.
Oh, shit, Swan. We should have shot this at the Abyss.
Oh.
I want to go back. I feel so stupid sitting here in this playground.
Sorry.
Why are you apologizing? I'm not great at talking about myself, but I'll do it.
Let's just keep going.
You can be a pushy bitch when you want to be. You know that? I like it. I write poems sometimes. Winter is my favorite season, and blue is my favorite color.
What's it like at your house?
It sucks. I told you, no annoying questions. Next.
How'd you get into the riot girl stuff?
I met this girl at a bookstore in Seattle on this family vacation. And she told me about Bikini Kill and how she could send me these zines. Her name's Claire. She mails them to me sometimes.
You don't really look like a typical punk. Don't you need some tattoos or something?
What? It's not just about, like, having lots of tats or whatever. That's just superficial bullshit. The music is what's important. When I found punk music, I felt like, oh, there's really some people out there who get me. Because, like, before you guys, my only friends were the fucking deer on the ranch, but it's a hunting farm. They're bred to die. I guess I felt alone a lot. Unless I was with Gertie. Did I tell you about her?
Who's Gertie?
When I was a kid, I was pretty normal. I went to church like a good girl, even wore a dress. There was this one day, Mom just pushed my buttons and I snapped. I called her a bitch.
Whoa.
Yeah. She got mad. I was like 12? I got grounded, so I snuck out. Fell asleep behind the library. When I woke up, there was, like, this fawn. She had a bite mark on her leg. Didn't look good. Guys like my dad would probably just leave her to die. What do you think I did?
Did you take the fawn home? You saved her?
Obviously. Thought I'd never go back home that day, but I did. For her. For all the deer I've had to watch die at home. For all the deer I've had to watch die on the ranch, I named her Gertie. And I will never let them kill her. I stuttered. My bad.
I'm getting kind of tired.
That was my last question.
I'm just gonna go over here.
Okay.
Hey, you ready for our show? It's finally almost time. I think I'm gonna sneak Dad's truck out so we can haul Nora's gear.
Good idea. He'll never miss it.
Yeah. I doubt he'll notice.
Tell me when you're done. I'll wait.
So, it's tomorrow, right?
Yes! Finally.
I'd better bring a fresh tape. I'm gonna film the whole show.
Oh, fuck yeah. No one is gonna see this show coming. Not in this stupid town. We're gonna be the real deal. Right, girls?
Describe your dream look. I can do whatever. You are my muse. And I brought all my best shit. No holding back today. What do you think?
Grunge! Something badass like Courtney Love.
Oh, sick. Just stay still. Voila. We're done. So, what now?
Show us!
Oh, shit.
Oh my god, you look amazing, Swan!
No one should see us back here.
Cool.
I feel like a spy.
We'll paint the lights with these.
It's gonna look so cool.
Yeah. I saw this idea in one of my zines. Swan, you pick.
Oh, I want to pick.
Yeah, but she's the one filming the show. So I'm gonna leave the truck here until we meet up at Nora's place later.
We poured our hearts and souls into that one night.
By the way, your red eyes are not so encouraging.
The concert.
I would die to not care anymore. See my heart in my hand, do you really understand? Get my heart off your hand, get your hand off my heart. I would die to hate you. But it's a love thing to think, it's such a love thing to say, it's such a love thing, fucking love thing. I would die to not care anymore. I would die to hate you.
It was here at the Blue Spruce, remember? You unpack the truck.
You guys will help, right?
We need an extension cord and some power.
Oh.
Let's check behind the building. Swan, Autumn, come with.
I can't believe you guys are ditching me.
We'll be right back, Nor.
Ugh, it's locked.
Oh, Jeezo.
Let's break it.
You crazy? If we get caught doing that, we're toast.
Who'd know it was us?
Let's at least look around first. The show must go on. We'll open it somehow.
Yeah. Let's go.
Cat. Dylan, you're right. Can you call her and ask for the combo?
And tell her about the concert? Hell no.
No! Trick her. Make her think you, lost something back there or something.
She might be dumb enough to buy it.
Sounds risky.
So, should I go for it?
Actually, let's look around some more.
Okay.
Nothing. What's in here? Guys, we might be able to break the lock with this. Seriously?
It's our best option.
I still think there's gotta be another way.
Fuck. That's Corey's. Hurry, Swan. What's he got in there?
Careful, guys. What if he comes out?
I'll keep lookout.
should try this. It looks like a combination.
Oh, shit. Yeah. Maybe he got it from Dylan.
She's done. Ugh. I can't believe Corey's here. I can.
Smash it, Swan. Do it.
Are you guys sure about this? We should try that code Swan found.
Dude, breaking it is faster. Just relax. We won't get caught.
If you say so. It worked! That was a good idea!
I can't wait to see Dylan's face when she realizes what happened.
Oh, we definitely weren't supposed to be back there. I'm so surprised we didn't get caught straight away. Let's hurry! Look for an extension cord and an outlet.
On it.
By the way, I went to the library looking for some record of that sinkhole we found. They've got nothing. I even asked the librarian. How crazy is that?
Not crazy. It's not like anyone but us is around there.
I guess so.
We should look into local legends.
It could be a natural thing, though.
I wish I could ask my mom. But she'd kill me if she found out about our place.
Yeah, don't spill.
Hey, I found an extension cord. Score!
Should be an outlet around here somewhere.
What's this? Jeezo.
This is taking so long.
I know. We gotta get going. Nora's probably so annoyed right now. Cord's ready. Okay, I'll run this over to Nora. What's wrong?
Nothing.
It's not working!
Fuck. One sec. I know. Maybe there's like some switch to turn it on. Let's look. Hope my dad doesn't notice the truck. I can't believe this is such a hassle. Dylan's always complaining about how this place is falling apart. Guess I get it now.
What's Dylan do around here anyway? Is she a waitress or something?
She's been bartending here ever since she got kicked out of college.
Oh, what happened?
She got caught sneaking a boy into her dorm room.
That's kind of sad. She must have been really lonely to go that far.
Maybe. She's always been like that, though. She used to sneak guys into her room at home, too. She got caught once and was grounded for like a month.
Wow.
Oh, piece of shit. Is it missing some parts or something?
Doesn't this look like a fuse box thing?
Check it out. Yeah. See if it fixes it.
This looks like one of those fuse box thingies.
It does. Come on. Hurry and try it out.
We're set!
Swan, hands off. Let's go. Here, take the Bloom and Rage stickers. Put them where everyone can see them.
On it.
I was on cloud 9. I thought I'd remember that night forever.
Things were so different back then.
Music and our bond was all that mattered.
That looks good. Cool.
This ain't the mall, girls. You lost?
Ugh, shut up.
Oh, there.
One sticker left. Oh, I'll put it on the payphone. Lots of people will see it there.
What are you punks doing here? And what's with all the gear?
None of your business.
Seriously, what is all this shit? Looks stolen. And those clothes, you look like fucking hobos.
What does it look like?
Looks like Kat's crying out for attention, like she doesn't get enough. Hey, Kat.
Whatever it is, no.
You know Dylan's gonna be pissed at you if she sees you out here.
I don't care.
I don't believe you.
You should.
You trying to get Dylan fired? This is her job. You need to get out of here now.
Just shut up.
Whatever.
It's showtime, guys!
Hell yeah.
Swan, start the drum machine for me. Thanks. Okay.
Hey, listen up!
Ready? Yeah.
We're Bloom and Rage, and this is our song!
Hey, what's going on?
Ready?
Put up the red flag that you would be a fucking drag. You funny boy, I can tell. We'll see who's laughing when I see you in hell. See you in hell. You'll fit in well. I'll make you scream and you'll be under my spell. In hell, fuck you get banned for the fear and the harassment and the harm that you did.
but what are they saying?
Fuck him. Sick of your faces and joking me.
Of course they don't.
Tired of the spacing my
That's for damn sure.
You're so entitled, I can tell.
Turn that shit off.
I'll fuck you up when I see you in hell.
Shaking in my boots.
You'll feel well. I'll make you scream and you'll be under my spell. In hell.
What the hell?
I don't know.
Get out of here.
Can we get it back on?
It's past your bedtime. All done.
Cat! Are you insane? You're gonna hurt yourself. Seriously.
What do you want?
What? Maybe we should bounce.
Those girls were breaking and entering. I saw it. Call the cops.
Seriously? You broke in? What the hell is going on? Like, ever since you met these girls, you've been acting like a total psycho.
So what? Go ahead, tell Mom I broke in. I don't care.
I don't believe you. Who's playing gang leader here, huh? Fess up, or I'm calling the cops.
I broke in. Kat did nothing wrong. Please don't
Stop
blame
it,
her.
Swan. Just fuck off,
Don't
Dylan.
tell your parents. Please.
I knew you were a freak, but I didn't think you had this in you.
I'm sorry.
Dylan, come on. Don't ruin this for me.
No! This is over. What were you thinking?
I hate you. I hate you so much.
I'm looking out for you, Kat. I'm always looking out for you. Don't you get it?
Call the cops already, or I'll haul them in myself.
Yell at her again, and I'll knock your drunk ass on
Back
the ground.
off.
Don't talk to
Let
me like
me
that,
handle
you
this.
fucking whore.
Hey,
Corey, stop!
stay out of this.
Get these girls under control.
Hey!
Shut up!
You're out of control, and Kat, shut the fuck up already.
Fuck you.
What's his problem?
Shut your mouth.
You've got my back, Swan. Always.
Dude, calm down! Shut up! Screw you! For the fear, the harassment, and the harm that you did.
Kat?
Do you hear me? Stupid, dumb, fucking assholes!
Kat! Calm down! Please!
And help!
What should we do?
You'll fit in well!
Seriously, Kat! Let's just get out of here!
I'll make you scream and you'll be under my spell!
Stop!
In hell! I'll be your queen of this infernal hotel! In hell!
Kat? Kat!
This is all your fault!
What?
She's sick!
Oh my god.
Get it? Leukemia. And
Kat, no.
she's running out of time.
Oh no. Oh no. She's...
If anything happens to her tonight, I'll never forgive you.